The Lucky South 99 representative was transferred from Congress detention to the Correctional Institute for Women in Mandaluyong City. Ong was previously cited in contempt for supposedly lying about her educational background. She is placed in a separate detention facility since she is currently not facing any charges yet. Ong has previously denied her alleged links to illegal pogo operations.
Kasi
But the lawyer of Cassie Ong has
Si Atty.
said,
Topacio.
Atty. Topacio has said walang jurisdiction ng Congress to hold her in detention in a place that is under the executive branch. Diba? So kasi under the PNP yan and DOJ. So bakit
doon?
Bakit doon?
Eh,
diba?
wala pa naman siyang kaso unlike... hindi,
Oo.
meron na, pero... Ano ba? Di ba may kaso
Wala
na siya?
Parang wala pa ata.
May kaso na siya. Pero yun nga, sinasabi nila. Kasi itong women's, yung correctional,
It's for
ito
the executive
yung
branch.
facility natin for women na mostly mga nilalagay doon, mga may final conviction na. Parang new bilibid prison, kumbaga, para sa mga lalaki.
Right now, she's
So,
still not considered a
yes.
criminal. And this is only a contempt order from Congress until a hearing.
So, yun yung
will
nilalaban
end.
ng legal counsel
Oo.
niya.
Kasi sabi niya, why are you remanding her to an institution under the executive branch? You're a legislative branch and this is a contempt order, di ba? So, ilalagay mo doon.
Kakagulo na sila dyan. Kasi itong si Cassandra, tinatanong siya about her educational background. Kung saan siya nag-aral, etc. Yung sa ALS, kasi parang yun ang sinabi niya. Pero sinasabi niya lagi na hindi na daw niya maalala yung educational background niya. Ito lang ako. Nanay ako, marami na akong mga nakalimutan sa buhay ko. Pero yung educational background ko, hindi ko pa naman siya nakalimutan. Siya 24 years old. Ano naman yung makakalimutan mo sa educational background
When I
mo?
was that age, hindi ko rin maalala yung exact dates. I remember the school.
Educational background
Kaya
ng
nga,
school, hindi niya masabi.
hindi ko nga maalala yung dates ng school
Pero
ko.
alam mo kung saan ka nag-aral.
Oo naman.
Yun yung point
Hindi,
ko.
pero ang point ko ito, moving forward, we should really clearly define already what it is to be a resource person and a witness. Diba? While I don't agree with what sila Cassie and
No love lost dyan sa kanila.
and Alice Go are doing because if ever it's true, diba? Hindi magandang ginagawa nila sa Pilipinas. But is it going to be like this moving forward na every other resource person na hindi mo gusto yung sagot, sinungaling ka?
Oo.
Di ba, kung sabi nga nila sa Facebook at saka sa mga social media accounts, kung i-contempt order natin lahat ng sinungaling sa Pilipinas, baka maubos ang buong ano daw. Lahat ng politiko natin halos maubos na daw. Diba? So ang point is, maybe kung proven like in a court of law or, diba, but not as a resource person, sinungaling ka. The word resource person nga di ba?
Pero ako, I feel na talagang itong si Sandra, ay ewan ko bakit hindi niya masabi kung saan siya nag-aral. Kasi imposible naman talaga
Baka kasi,
na nagsasabi siya ng totoo na hindi niya maalala kung saan siya nag-aral.
baka parang si Alice Go naman to kay Teacher Rubilin ng nag-aral.
Naku, abangan po natin susunod na kabanata dyan sa nangyayaring Quadcom committee hearing.